Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our H Travel Life channel. Today we have an incredible adventure in store for you as we take you on a journey to the mesmerizing Golden Temple of Dambulla in Sri Lanka. Our adventure begins as we arrive at the entrance of the Golden Temple. The temple complex is located atop a massive rock, offering stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Walking towards the caves as we ascend the steps, we're about to enter a network of 5 stunning caves that house intricate statues and murals dating back centuries. Each cave tells its own story, a blend of spirituality and history. Standing in front of a giant reclining Buddha statue. This is Cave 1, and it's home to a magnificent 46-foot-long reclining Buddha statue. The craftsmanship is incredible, and the atmosphere inside is serene. The Seated Buddha's Cave 2 features a collection of seated Buddha statues in various postures, each representing a different aspect of the Buddha's teachings. The walls are adorned with colorful frescoes that have managed to retain their vibrancy over the centuries. The Great New Monastery. We're now in the Great New Monastery, and the ambiance here is something else. The walls are covered in detailed murals depicting the life of the Buddha. The play of light and adds a mystical touch to the experience. Walking to Cave 4 and Cave 5. Caves 4 and 5 house a stunning array of more than 80 statues, including kings and deities. These caves provide a glimpse into the cultural and religious evolution of Sri Lanka throughout its history. Panoramic view from the top. Reaching the top, the climb was definitely worth it. From up here, we have a breathtaking view of the surrounding landscape. The lush greenery, the tranquil atmosphere, it's truly a moment of serenity. Our exploration of the magnificent Golden Temple of Dambulla in Sri Lanka. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not only a testament to the country's rich history and spirituality but also a place of wonder and beauty. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. Join us for the most exciting adventures around the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Comment your thoughts on videos about this channel.